Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah. Have you ever heard of garage flips with Matt on YouTube? Have you ever heard of American Pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Shed, Garage Flip, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati Picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth Picker? Have you ever heard my boy Dave from Kentucky, the Tesla Picker? I call him TP. Picking for that Tesla. Yeah, but I'm here to tell y'all that in St. Louis, we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, today my daughter's birthday. She just turned 35. Yeah, I'm old as Methuselah, y'all. That's my youngest baby, my youngest daughter. I got 5 sons. But anyway, and I got an older daughter, she'll be 43 next week. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all, because I went to one of the thrift stores today and I'm proud of what I got. But first of all, I want to run something by you guys. I got a lot of video games, right? And one of my video games, I've been trying not to sell it. This is one of the crown jewels of my video games. Well, maybe you guys can help me decide. This is one of my crown jewels. It's a Nintendo 64 game. And y'all know this guy, he died in a helicopter crash. I'm talking about Kobe. But it was my favorite game. I didn't want to sell it. Brand new. See that? Nintendo 64 NBA courtside featuring Kobe Bryant. Brand new in the package. One just sold for $220. The cheapest one sold on eBay is $91. And that was with people bidding. I probably could put it on there for about $120, $130 and sell it that way. But I don't know, man. I just feel like keeping this game. I had it for years. I don't even know when this game came out, but I had it ever since it came out. Brand new. I never opened it, like most of my games. I got a whole lot of Nintendo 64 games that are brand new in the pack. Most of them are football games, though, now, because people have been buying them. But this is one of my crown jewels. Sometimes I save stuff that's worth something. I didn't know this was going to be worth that much. You know what I'm saying? But since he died, price went up. So maybe you guys can help me. Put down in the comments whether I should sell this game or keep it. I just bought it to work with me because I was thinking about putting it on there. Because not eBay, because eBay I probably can't get nothing but $120 for it, probably $130. But if I sell it in other places, I'll probably get $200. What the hell? Anyway, y'all. But anyway, let me get to the stuff I bought today. Okay, I go through the CDs sometime, and sometime when I see a CD that catch my eye, I don't know how to explain it, but something weird that I've never seen before, like this dude right here. I never heard of this dude. He a rapper, I don't know, R&B, whatever. I don't know. But I scanned it, and this thing sold for $29. I paid $1 for it. So I don't know why it's worth $29. I don't know who this dude is, whatever. But sometimes I scan stuff, these mosquitoes in there. Sometimes I scan stuff and I just go and I just look at the name, and if it's catchy or whatever, if it looks strange, I scan it. I don't know. It's an instinct. I don't know what the hell. But this right here, anything Disney sell, it depends on what it is. This CD right here, brand new, Disney Mania 5. It's selling for $34, brand new. I paid $1 for it. So sometimes when you look through those CDs, you might want to, if you see something brand new, scan it. If you see something strange, scan it. Like that dude, I don't know who that dude is. But I'm putting them on eBay, $24, whatever. I think it was $24, whatever. I paid $1 for it. So this one right here, Dev on there now. I put this on there already. I started looking for clocks now too, y'all. This clock right here is made by Danbury. You ever remember that name? See this clock? It's selling for $29 on eBay. I paid $3 for it. It's got a little plate on there. I don't know what the hell people will buy with that plate on there. I don't care. I'm putting it on there for the price. I got scammed with this, y'all. I paid $4.99 for this blade. It was supposed to be 2 in there. It was 1. It's selling on eBay for $39. I paid $3 for it, or $4, whatever I paid for it. $3.99. I paid $4. It's 1 in here. Somebody glued it, took the 1 out and glued it with a hot glue gun. I don't know what to tell you. But I put it on there for half price. I put it on there for $20. I said it's 1. I even wrote the 1 on the picture and put it on the listing. I put 1 blade. So people can't make a mistake, because people out there would get this and they know that it's cheap enough that I won't, the shipping probably costs more than the blade. So they'll try to return it, and eBay will let them return it, and and they'll say it was 1 blade in there. So I clearly put on the picture, it's 1 blade. So can't nobody come back and say it's supposed to be 2 and there's 1 in there. In the listing, they say 1, everything. So I don't understand people. We got a whole lot of thieving people out there. Anyway, I put it on there for half price. So I put it on there for $19.99. That 1 blade. Since 2 blades were $39.99, 1 blade got to be at least worth half. Free shipping. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this, y'all, but you all need to be a lookout. Sometimes I look through books. If I see a hardcover book like this, brand new, I'm gonna look it up and see how much it's worth. Okay, this book says the Great Family Song Book, right? It's selling for $39.49 on eBay. $39, almost $40 on eBay. Right now, I can sell this book right now. It's brand new. Look at the inside. All songs, piano songs, whatever. Brand new. I paid $1.50 for this. So sometimes when you all go through these books, take your time, walk through the books, and if a book look like catch your eye, get it and try to look it up on eBay. That's what I did with this. I passed by it. I was like, that's a nice looking book. The Great Family Song Book. People like to sing at home. They stuck at home now. Some people still stuck at home. So I looked it up. It was 1 on there that sold for $39.95. Okay, and I don't mind, because paying for shipping for this media mail right here. So this probably about $3. So I don't mind giving free shipping. So anyway, then I bought this. The New York Institute of Photography. New York Institute of Photography. It's got a whole lot of classroom books in there. See, there's 27 on my counter. This selling on eBay for $50. I paid $1.50 for this. Sorry, big ass mosquito just flew by. Anyway, I paid $1.50 for this. I don't know, y'all. Y'all better quit passing this stuff up. Media mail. I don't know. I would have passed this up back in the day when I wasn't looking for books and stuff. But right now, every time I pass by books, I look at them. And if I see one that catches my eye, I'm scanning it. It's a strange title, whatever. I'm scanning it. This don't have no scan on it, so I had to voice it in. You know what I'm saying? But $50 on eBay. This wooden map, puzzle map, $29 on eBay. I paid $2.99 for it. Let me see what else I got, y'all. This game right here, the sock game, I never heard of before. The sock game. I paid $2 for it. It's brand new. It's on eBay right now for $24.99. Brand spanking new. I don't know what to tell y'all. I just spent a couple of dollars today. I didn't even bring everything I bought. But I just want to run a couple of things by y'all, show y'all some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just run some stuff by y'all. And y'all let me know about this game right here. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it or not. But this is one of my crown jewels right here. My video games. I got a whole lot of video games, y'all. And I just wanted to say that all y'all doing pretty good out there. You know, selling stuff on eBay and, you know, as resellers. You know, keep it going. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't get tired. Keep it going. I never give up. I've been selling on eBay since 2002, and I always had something on there. Even though I slowed down after Christmas. I slowed down because I used to sell during Christmas all the time. But just keep it going, y'all, until somebody stop eBay or whatever. Or they raise their prices too much, or what they keep playing around people's accounts, whatever. Keep it going. Because if you don't, I'll be there, like Mikey say. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. Whenever you stop, I'll be there picking up all your stuff. So you better get it now. Because we pickin' the hood too. You better remember that. Anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, I don't care. Thumbs down, whatever. But subscribe. Keep that mask on. And I just want everybody to know that everybody else out there picking, and nobody say what Pickin's doing in St. Louis in the hood or whatever hood it is in Chicago, Kentucky, whatever. I just want to say that we pickin' the hood too, and you know it. Peace.